how to edit a PDF online. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be getting you through the steps on how you can edit a particular PDF file online, that too for free. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser or search engine like Google. So let me open my Google tab and then I will simply search for iLovePDF. Now once you have searched for iLovePDF, you will see this website and you will need to click onto this link. Now this will lead you to the official iLovePDF website, and it might give you a similar, or let's say a different appearance. That is because I have enabled desktop mode. If I will simply turn off desktop mode, you will see the website in this interface. Now from here you will need to scroll down until you find this option that says edit PDF. So click onto this edit PDF option and then select your PDF file. So for example, let's say I will select this PDF file. Just wait for it to get loaded, and once the file gets loaded you will see all of the pages right here. Now you can do different operations in the file. Also make sure that if you are not able to see other buttons in this website, you will need to enable desktop site like this, and you also might need to re-upload the file, which you can do so again in a matter of seconds. And once within the desktop mode, you can see that all of the buttons are now accessible. So you can also edit a text or add a text by clicking onto this button. You can add an image by clicking onto this option. You can also doodle onto this web PDF by clicking onto this draw option and draw as per your liking. Apart from that, there are other options for the same as well. So that's how easily you can edit a PDF. And once you are done with the changes, you can click onto this edit PDF button, and after that it will give you the option to download a new copy, which you can download by clicking onto this download PDF button. So that's how easily you can edit a PDF file in your Android device. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.